So we are on idyllic Yakushima Island, which is part of Kagoshima Prefecture in Japan, and is renowned for being the rainiest part of Japan and amazing greenery with forests and moss that served as inspiration in some parts of it for Miyazaki's Princess Mononoke. And so we're here at a luxury hotel in Yakushima called Sankara Hotel and Spa Yakushima. This is our second time here. This is the Sankara Suite. Last time we were in a Sankara one-bedroom villa. This is technically a higher category room, but sure, it's a matter of taste. Let's take a look. So we'll head left first on entering. Let me take off my shoes. I'm going to go a little wide so we can get a better view of things. So this is the main living room, sitting area, lounge. Let's just kind of get the full view here. Here's the dining area. There's a bedroom to the right. Now, there's forests all around, but today it's very overcast and it's raining, but actually up ahead, you're supposed to be able to see the ocean, which you cannot today. Actually, it's worth noting that the Sankara Villa that we stayed in last time actually had more of an unobstructed view of the ocean. Here you see some roofs, things like that. So I wouldn't say it's quite as compelling if that's something you're looking for. So anyways, this is the main living area, dining. And then here's the bedroom up ahead. There you go. Closet. Another TV. Mini bar. Coffee, tea, liquor. Complimentary, supposedly. And at the prices they charge here, I am not surprised. All right, so to the left of the bedroom is, let's see, what is it? The toilet. Here. A loo with sort of a view, first. And then this way, you have an indoor bath and an outdoor bath. But let's take a look from, actually, let's take a look at the vanity area here and the sink. But let's go back to the bath. Now, something worth noting is, so this is the indoor one. And then this is not outdoor, but open air. Shower. That's pretty massive. Now, one thing to note, or two things about this to note, is that Sankara does not have, these baths are not onsen, so they're not natural hot springs. So that's something you're looking for. You'll probably want to combine Sankara with a place elsewhere in Japan that actually offers onsen, which they're in abundance of. The other thing is that especially the open air bath, it's massive, and I was told it might take upwards of an hour to fill it up. So often what people do is ask the hotel to fill it up while they're heading back. So it's ready for them to enjoy upon re-entering their room. So this is kind of a spa room. So you can have massages and treatments right in the comfort of your own room. The view from that outdoor bath. So that's kind of what we're going to do. We'll do some massages and shiatsu, hot stone massage, things like that. So finally, we'll wrap around this way. This is where we came in from. We headed left towards the main living area. But to the left is a guest bathroom, which is always convenient. Or just having a second one for men, so that the women's bathroom the toilet stays clean. Anyways, so Sankara Villa and Spa Yakushima. This is the Sankara Suite, which is room 101, and it's in Yakushima Island in Kagoshima Prefecture of Japan. 126 square meters of living space. Hope you enjoyed.